Why is this guy all greasy?
You know?
Shoot him, he's minging.
Listen up.
Listen up.
The world will end if we don't sleep together right now. What the?
Alright, Dilbert.
The Slug Boys, yay!
Well,
Aye.
have you been in the storage room?
No. Why? What the f?
Don't say anything, just let him come back.
Right.
Just see if he even notices that. I was literally about to walk past that cunt till I seen the edge of my eye. It's like fucking that mecha chameleon.
Yeah,
game.
that's what I was about to say. Like,
You know. Like the state of houses and all, we need to clean that. We need to clean everything. It's actually in my head.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's alright.
Nah, you fucking walking past that cunt. You would be ashamed to make a chameleon, mate.
a friend of mine was swinging by the store today, Louisiana. She has this condition where one leg is a lot longer than the other.
Right, so remember, if there's a lassie with one leg longer than the other, she's alright, apparently.
What the fuck? What's your
Right, well, that's
occupation,
like
man? She's a stripper. She's gotta be.
Like Willie Brook Crane, right, that's right. Cake. Right, so when the Wentworth opens up, fucking, we'll get a shotgun at it now. You go. Ah, wait. Oh, she's a lassie with the fucking leg? What the fuck?
One leg longer
Look
than
at
the
her
other.
leg.
Aye. Is her name Louisiana?
Aye,
Aye,
Louisiana
that's her
Mark.
then.
She's alright then. That's why you look at this leg before we send her off. Look at that man's leg.
Hey!
She's alright, apparently. She's a human.
Gotta go.
She's drinking the fucking petrol.
Sure! No! Move it around. Fucking weirdo, man.
Keep things tidy. 13 is a good number.
Give me the gun.
How much? Oh, you fucker! What did you do?
Alright.
I shot the guy.
Jump scared.
I shot it.
No, Harold's just at home watching TV probably. What? It says you're a widow, but... I don't believe you. What's your name? Hey, I am a friend of the manager. Oh, you're Louisiana as well? I think he told you I was coming.
Her leg isn't long. Her leg. Wait, look at her leg, but.
Aye, she's the big one.
Wait, no, wait. She was real. Her leg was longer than the other, isn't it? So.
We're being held up!
Fuck him up!
Man, it's a fake gun. I'm sorry.
Fuck off.
Why is this guy all greasy?
You know.
Shoot him, he's minging.
Listen up.
Listen up.
The world will end if we don't sleep together right now. What the fuck?
Alright, Dilbert, fuck off.
Stable job, the house. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh wait.
I could take
You boys-
good care of you.
Why is he so free? 54, but you've got the stamina of a young buck.
Like you see,
This guy out here right now.
he may be real, man, but he's a fucking weirdo. He
Put
ain't
that on your way out.
Man.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
We're fucked up. Right, boys, I bought 2 UMs. I'm grabbing a shotgun. There's an SMG. Get all the way I can get in this bathroom. Still in that.
I'm dying in here, man.
Get out!
I can't load a flag at the same time. Get me out.
Yeah, I'm out of ammo.
That is 2.
The pay menu.
Fuck's sake.
Did you activate the music?
My new posters, man, didn't even get to really fucking use them. They went in dead quick.
I really need nut butter, 25% off.
That's that one earlier, that's it. Teams up with that one.
A new product, nut butter. I got the wrong fucking Louisiana, no?
That's twice you've done that.
Wrong cocktail, Chris. Make me sweat. Love them, but.
Is that in the poster, aye?
You hear that, Lewis? If Louise Kennedy comes inside tonight, you shoot on sight, because she's apparently dead.
Come inside, Louise, I get it.
No, we shoot. I'm just...
I love this one for some reason.
Wait, can I ask you kind of weird question?
Then obviously,
That's-
we've got a new product available again.
The spare and gravy?
You said you didn't want me.
I couldn't steal him.
We can't go out. Oh, alright.
No, well,
Mug does not give a fuck. Protect this store no matter what. That's fucking... Just imagine a fucking old woman asking a guy for help in the shop. Like, can I ask you kind of a weird question? What's that stain? I need to come. What's that stain? I'm going to stalk a fucking shelves, man. I need to fucking occupy my mind here.
I fucking know you do, you mad cunt.
What the fuck? What happened?
there?
You
What
walked in a
happened?
bear trap.
What the No, man.
The fuck with that there?
What is it here?
Wait, that's not Paulus. What's he? A train conductor? Chauffeur?
One second.
Train conductor?
I'm going.
I just drive around town. Usually the afternoon shifts. What do you mean drive? You don't drive a train around town? What?
What, how do you do a train then?
Well, you don't choose where it goes. I don't like that. I just don't like that.
Alright, well, if it turns out you see him in.
Who the fuck are you?
Are you right? Fucking legs go all the way up. What's this?
Fading rose tattoo on the right thigh.
On the right thigh. Alright, well, I'll need to check that on it.
Rose tattoo on the right thigh. Is it,
Is that a rose? That's a rose.
is
aye,
it
that's a rose.
fading?
No, it looks pretty fresh to me.
Is it fading? But
You're right up to your fucking scut on her leg. I know, that looks fresh to me.
I've got a fading tattoo in my right thigh. No, it looks fresh to me.
the fuck?
Ow.
Right, catcher 3.
Oh,
Oh, for fuck's sake, well, what have we done again?
We keep fucking up, boys.
I keep fucking up. You gotta get me off the Thelma. Fuck you.
Ow!
Wait, we don't have any more. Yo. Ah, you fucker!
Bring
Who
the
took my
rookie.
fucking granny?
I took it off you,
That was
gun.
me. That was what we took
I
it.
still need confiscated. I can't reach him earlier. Oh, I have to come up.
Oh no! You can't do this to me! You fucking no! Get the fuck over me! Get the fuck over me! Get the fucking...
Guys, I need help. I need help.
I don't know if I can help you, mate. Actually, wait. Let's set this up, and then we'll turn around.
He's probably gonna attack me if I tell her in a robot.
Jump over. Can you jump?
Try to set this
Jump.
one up beside it so we double hit him.
I'm behind you.
Like, I'm fucking lagging. Like, fuck you. Ah! Where's my gun?
There we go. It's music.
For fuck's sake.
On now. No, 95 health.
Fuck's sake.
God damn it, Bobby. Why'd you do that?
Robert.
Fucking Robert. That's why I did it.